All right, so this one here might be a little bit challenging to figure out what kind of shapes you have. The bottom I don't think is a problem. The bottom's a prism. But the top is this shape that I talked about in one of the earlier things in the volume stuff. The top is another prism. It's not a pyramid, so it's a triangular prism. And I'll talk about that a little more when I figure the volume of it out. But this prism here is base times height. The base is 17 times 12. And I did look at the units and see that they're all in meters, so we're covered there. And the height of that prism is 10. So there is the first bottom prism, this one, taken care of. The top prism is the same volume formula, area of the base times the height. But remember, any prism, the base is not necessarily the thing that it's sitting on or the bottom. The base is, there has to be two of them. They have to be identical, and they can't touch each other. They have to be parallel. So in this case, this triangle thing on top, the bases are the two triangles. So to find the area of the base, I have to do 1/2 times base times height of the triangle. The base of the triangle is right here in blue, and that's going to be 17. So it's going to be 1/2 times 17, and the height of the triangle is going to be in green right there, and that's going to be 7. So there's the area of the triangular base. Then the height of this has to, you have to imagine it's standing up on its base there. So the height is going to be right here in blue, because if it stood up, that would be how tall it was, which is going to be 12. So times 12. So I'm going to add these two together. That's going to be the whole volume of that house. And this second part is the part that's going to cause the problem. So we have to be willing to take some time and think about these, because we get the formulas. So our job to solve the problem is going to be to make sure that the stuff is going in the right place and we're applying it the right way. So 17 times 12 times 10 plus 1/2 times 17 times 7 times 12 gives me a 2754 volume for that.